Okay, so this is a creek that's by where we live. It's just 3 or 4 blocks, about 4 blocks from where we live on Broadway. You can see there's water coming down Broadway, and it's flowing pretty bad down this way, and it's heading straight into this creek, which is I can't think of the name of, but normally this is a very small creek, but today it's not. It's pretty big. It's probably going to get worse too as the day goes on and into the weekend, because all this stuff is coming down from the mountains and it's not stopping. We're probably going to get a lot of damage out of this. And as you can see, this creek comes right out of the mountains. This is a really small creek normally, but it's not today. Look at it today. Oh. Some people are trying to drive down Broadway, but they got most of Broadway closed off. There's something. Houses flooded, basements flooded, a couple of bridges gone. Boulder's a mess. And this is only by our house. There's more, because other creeks have flooded, including the big Boulder Creek, which is totally flooded. I'm going to try to walk around some more. I'm going to take the dog back and then walk down Broadway and take some more movies.